correlate with Earth interior structure? Sial, Sima, Nephe. That is the crust, mantle core. Can we say such type of hypothesis may explain the layers of Earth? Earth interior comprises several layer with different substances. Question is that why? So there is density differentiation. The heavy minerals got attached with the planetesimal earlier. That is why iron found here. Nephe means iron. उसके बाद लाइट, उसके बाद लाइट. तो hypothesis of Chamberlain can be justified on the basis of earth layers and their density as well. तो इसीलिए उसके बात को आज भी मानते हैं. अब चैम्बरलिन के बाद के बस नाम याद रखना है और कुछ नहीं है. ऑल आर पार्ट ऑफ अ वेरी प्रीलिम्स टाइप ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. कभी भी इस पे बड़े क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे. अब आइडिया ऑफ चैम्बरलिन वर चैलेंज्ड बाय वन मोर स्कॉलर, दैट इज जेम्स एंड जेफरी. जेम्स जेफरी से कि भाई चैम्बरलिन व्हाट हैपेंस, तो दिस वाज नॉट प्लांटिस्मल, रेदर like tide when earth come into the under the influence of sun and moon, tide occurs on earth's surface. Similarly, what happens when intruder star came close to the sun? This was the sun and it was intruder star or companion star. So when intruder star came closer to sun, over sun surface, this type of tidal bulge emerged. Tide एक पूरा आ गया. What happens over the time? This tide detached from the sun under the influence of immense gravitational force. Over the time, this tidal bulge of sun separated into 9 branches, 9 parts, and this later convert into 9 planets. It is interesting to know if we arrange our planet with respect to their size. This is like this shape, cigar shape. Both terminal point of our planet are narrower. And at center, which planet lie? Jupiter. So this cigar shape structure he assumed for formation of solar system. But the question is that why 9? Why not 10? Why not this detached into 10 parts? Why there is different type of movement? Venus is moving opposite side, Uranus is moving opposite side. So Jeffrey idea were again rejected. बस यही कहानी है, बस नाम याद रखना है इसमें क्या है, टाइडल हाइपोथेसिस. अब बाइनरी स्टार हाइपोथेसिस, लास्ट स्कॉलर, सेकेंड लास्ट स्कॉलर इट इज. नाउ दिस से कि यू ऑल आर रॉन्ग. नाइदर टाइडल बल्ज वाज देयर नॉर प्लांटिस्मल वाज देयर एंड सन वाज नॉट द मास्टर, नॉट द क्रिएटर ऑफ प्लैनेट. तो व्हाट हैपेंस? तो देयर वर 3 stars in our solar system. One was sun, second was companion star, and third was approaching star. 3 stars was there. Tidal bulge was there, but it was not over the sun. Rather, it was over the companion star. Means there were another star with the sun earlier. So this tidal bulge happened, and this tidal bulge later culminated into other planet. When group of individual ask what about this, where is companion star nowadays, Jeffrey say I don't know. When people ask them what about approaching star, where it is nowadays, he say I don't know. Again, why only 9 part of that, again I don't know. So this rejected finally idea of this person, again rejected. This is widely accepted theory, that is supernova hypothesis. होयल एंड वही होयल फिर से आ गया, बिग बैंग, दैट मॉक्ड द आइडिया ऑफ बिग बैंग, फ्रेड होयल. तो दिस फ्रेड होयल opined that there were two stars, one our protosun and one was another. What happens at terminal state? This companion star exploded, blasted. Material out of this companion star is spreaded around the sun. This was this way, is scattered around the sun. Over the time, this get accumulated and converted into the planets. मतलब simplified approach this forwarded Hoyle. ठीक है, इसकी भी बात को फिर only why 9 direction is changing, all such thing. The thing is that he was not able to justify the concept properly. So that is why this rejected. Last idea of this person is kind of the idea that is very less popular. Reason being, he belongs to Soviet. At that time, this was called USSR. So during Second World War, another scholar came. It was Otto Schmidt. इसलिए बड़ी अच्छी बात करें, Otto Schmidt. Otto Schmidt came and this say कि abundance of dark matter and dark energy found in our universe. Due to interaction, dark matter converts into planet, and he actually explained the detail about all such things, कि what is going on. The idea of this person, interstellar dust or all such things, justify the modern formation of planet and our satellites, but still the fact is that the idea of Otto Schmidt is not available to us. इसका मिलता ही नहीं है. Some sort of pages we have. So still that is part of discussion, part of research. We are unknown about formation of our solar system. The matter of fact is that the most popular idea, justified idea is of Chamberlain, planetesimal. Everybody accepts there is existence of planetesimal embryo seed of planet exist. What after, we don't know. What before, we don't have idea. ठीक है. होयल का था कि जो हमारा सन है उसके पास एक और स्टार था, वो स्टार फट गया, तो उसके फटने से जो भी कचरा निकला, वही कचरा चारों तरफ इकट्ठा हो गया सन के, और ओवर द टाइम दे कॉम्बाइंड इन फॉर्म ऑफ प्लैनेट. तो यही कहानी है पूरी. और आज तक दिस इज रिडल, पजल. वी आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व दिस मिस्ट्री. अभी तक हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में दैट इज अननोन टू अस.